If you've been told you need to post shorts, or you've been told to avoid shorts like the plague, it kills your channel, this video is for you. Because yes, shorts are the fastest path to exposure right now, but they only work if you use them strategically. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and schedule shorts in a way that feels simple, focused, and repeatable. Welcome back. This is day 17 of the Creator Breakthrough Series, 10 minutes a day to build your channel from the ground up. If you're watching this later, every video is numbered and organized in a playlist, so you can go back to day one and move through step by step. But by the end of this video, you'll have a workflow that lets you post your first shorts confidently and consistently. Shorts are dominating right now, not because they're trendy, but because they lower the barrier to attention. YouTube has said there are 3 key drivers behind shorts growth: clear topic alignment, every short reinforces what your channel is about, a strong first, second hook, and a repeatable rhythm. Even 2 or 3 per week creates traction. I've watched small creators go from 0 to thousands of subscribers by using shorts as the front door, a quick introduction that leads people towards their long form content. So let me show you the system behind that. Here's your 4-step shorts system built to grow your channel intentionally, not frantically. Plan shorts that support your main channel, batch record 4 to 6 shorts in one sitting, hook hard in the first seconds, and post, pin, and loop viewers back to you. Let's get started. Step number 1, plan topics that feed your main channel. Your shorts should reinforce your long form content, not compete with it. When everything you post shares the same theme, YouTube starts connecting your videos and recommends one after another. And here's how to plan alignment. Write down your last 3 to 5 long form videos, or the ones you're planning to do. And for each topic, pull out 3 micro ideas, quick wins, some myths, or single tips. For example, a creator channel. If my long format video was how to film confidently on camera, my shorts could be 3 angles that make you look confident, or stop saying this one word on camera, or lighting tricks that bring out your eyes. For a fitness channel, for example, the long form might be 10-minute balance workouts. Shorts from that video could be 1 move to stop wobbling, morning balance resets, simple tests to improve stability. So you keep each short laser focused, 1 idea, 1 emotion, and 1 promise. And once your ideas are aligned, the next step is making them fast to produce. Because if they're not easy to produce, it's going to create friction and you're not going to do them. And we want you to do them because we want your channel to grow, right? Right. Okay. Step number 2, batch record 4 to 6 shorts in one sitting. Yes, I said 4 to 6 shorts in one sitting. Consistency comes from batching, not filming every day. Here's how to make shorts production simple. Use 1 clean setup, bright lighting, vertical frame, uncluttered background. Easy peasy. Let's go. Then you write bullet points only. Then you have your hook, your main points, and your CTA. That's all you need to write down. Record a few short takes per topic, each under 60 seconds. Edit right after filming while your energy is high, and add text overlays or captions on the spot. You can also have AI add them for you. Here's a pro tip though. Create a shorts folder on your phone and organize clips by topic. It makes posting later effortless. If you can film 5 usable shorts in under an hour, you have nailed the system. Another tip, when you are scripting your long form videos, ask AI to pull 3 shorts ideas from that script and make scripts for you. You don't have to use those scripts, but you can get a clear idea of what to talk about in your shorts. So it helps you start to get comfortable with what shorts should entail. Now that you have batches ready to go, your next focus is the part that matters most, the first few seconds. Step number 3, hook hard in the first few seconds. The first few seconds is everything. If you miss it, the viewer swipes by. It's that simple. Here are 4 hook styles that work extremely well with shorts right now. Number 1, call out a pain. Your video keeps flopping? Try this. Show a result, a before and after. Here's what happened after 1 week of doing this. Drop a myth or a surprising fact. You don't need more videos, you need this. Or ask a bold question. What if your next video doubled your views? Add a clear headline in big readable text. Your message should land even with the sound off. If your first frame grabs attention without audio, you're on the right track. Because capturing attention is one thing, but converting that attention into long-term viewers is where the real power of shorts come in, and it's honestly where most people miss this opportunity. Step number 4, post, pin, and loop viewers back to you. That's right, shorts create visibility, but your job is to turn that visibility into connection back to your main long format content. Here's how to do it. End each short with a simple call to action. Watch my channel for more 10-minute creator tips, or pin a comment, or include a link to your related long form video or playlist. And you can create a pinned "Start Here" short on your Shorts tab, a quick 30-second welcome video explaining who you are and who you help. You could post 2 to 3 shorts each week at consistent times. Mornings and early evenings work really well. Review retention weekly. Anything with over 70% retention is a keeper. Anything below gets the boot, and don't do it again. And here's a pro tip. Shorts that visually loop, ending where they began, meaning if they end and they start back over again and the viewer doesn't notice, they often get 25 to 35% higher viewer retention because the viewer doesn't realize that it started again. And another tip, if a short does well on your channel, it might be a sign to make a long video of that if you haven't already. Or if you made that video already on long form, make it again because it worked well on shorts. It'll probably work well on your long form. And if your shorts feed looks like a highlight reel of your niche, you're positioned perfectly. By the way, the lazy way, if you are short on time, is to have AI cut your clips for you from your long format. There are many AI apps out there that do this for free. From Kuzo to Submagic to Opus Clips, etc. There's many more, but those are just a few. Shorts are tiny moments that let people feel your energy, your personality, and your expertise before they ever commit to a full video. When you treat shorts as an entry point, you stop chasing trends and you start building awareness intentionally. And that's when your channel stops feeling invisible because now you're visible everywhere that matters. Here's your action step for today. Take one idea from your long form content and turn it into a 20 to 30-second short. Use the hook, tip, call to action structure and post it today. Yes, I want you to post a short today. This series is all about taking action. So you aren't sitting on your booty and not taking action. We're here to take action, right? And when you post that short, say in the comments below, did it or done or whatever you want to say, posted my first short, whatever it is, but let us know because I want to be here for you and there's a whole community watching these videos and can support each other. And tomorrow, day 18, we're unlocking one of YouTube's most underrated growth tools, playlists, and how they quietly multiply your watch time. Because shorts create discovery, but playlists, whoo, they create depth. And if you are feeling overwhelmed, number 1, take a breath. Number 2, considering getting direct help. If you want to work with me one-on-one, growing your channel and personal brand, I'm here for you. There's a link in the description below to learn more if you are open to that and you really want some extra help. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Good luck with your shorts and see you then.